it is, and today we are at Thalassa Grand Mirage Hotel, and this is the place where you have to stay at when you come to Bali. The property of this place is really huge and nice, and the hospitable of the managers here and the people here will make you come back just once again. Let's see what the place looks like. This is the restaurant area. One of the restaurants is right up. That's the whole property, and the rooms, as you can see, the pool is just in front, and there's the breakfast area just behind the pool. Nothing beats than being around the pool, because there are a lot of games, and every day the schedule of the pool games are different. There's a kayak tour around 11 o'clock in the afternoons every day, and also there's a small really cute pool for the kids too. And with all of that, there is an entertainment center where you have table tennis, where you have a lot of other sports, indoor sports that you can play. A fitness center is also there, and the rooms are pretty spacious and nice. There is a really very cute bathtub which can be used if you've had a very long day for a body massage. And also this is the ocean area, and this Nusa Dua beach is just a little secluded and a private beach that the hotel has. So you can be coming here in the evenings. You can stay here the whole entire night, which we've been doing for a couple of days. The moonlight from this place looks really nice. You can see people doing different water sports right now. And also, this place is not that expensive to be staying while you are here. If you get a package from a little bit more inside, this particular area is one of the restaurants, which is just so pretty and nice. One of the romantic places that you can ever come to. So more on the travelogues, but make sure that you stay at Grand Mirage Hotel, because the whole place is really pretty and nice, and I'm sure you're gonna have an amazing experience, because the breakfast is just so super with a lot of varieties. There is everything from a little of Indian to Italian to a little of Mexican, a lot of varieties in food, and the food is really tasty. So yeah, we've had a great experience by staying here, and suggesting you guys to be staying here, because this is one of the really cool and nice places, and this is one of the centers at Nusa Dua. So make sure that you do that. Travel 135 it is. With you guys, travel with Shikha. Bali it is, and this time it was Indonesia.